Okay.
Abracadabra, make this nice disappear. Make this some come back. Now hit 2 times. Now spin 2 times. Now shake 2 times. Now jump 2 times. Now shake. Now spin 2 times. Now abracadabra.
What came back this time? Oops. What came back this time?
The big in the moat. The big in the moat.
Okay. Okay, but hey, you know what? We need baby's bottle. So can you do the spell for baby's bottle?
ABC. Make the spell to make a baby's bottle. We stay there and catch her. We know that's the sweet sugar on a stick game. You spin 2 times and hit 2 times. You know it's hit the bottle, you just hit the drawer and hit the spin. And spin 2 times. Spin 3 times. Now hit 2 times. Do that 2 times. Now hit this 2 times. And we got that one. Made Elsie's bottle come back.
Yay!
Elsie's bottle come back.